Who likes Nashville hot chicken? Today we're going to make some up on this Masterbuilt smoker. I've got 3 chicken breasts. They've been brining for 6 hours. This is a half a gallon of water, half a cup of kosher salt, quarter cup of brown sugar, all mixed in, then sat in the fridge for 6 hours. Now, no need to rinse these off in the sink. They're not going to be too salty. So, you can see I just got them just patted down right. All you're doing is if there's any salt laying on the skin, you're getting that salt off. Okay? Now, what I got here, brand new rub from Tennessee Whiskey. This is Nashville Hot Chicken seasoning, okay? Now, of course, you can make your own, and I'll tell you what I'll do. I have a Nashville Hot Chicken recipe where you can put all the seasoning together yourself. I'll put that down in the description box below, okay? So I'm just going to season up. You can see this is really beautiful color. You don't need to, mix it all up from scratch. It's, convenience, I'll call it. All right? So I'm just going to finish getting these 3 chicken breasts all seasoned up. And then we're going to move over to this Masterbuilt smoker. Now I've got this Masterbuilt set up for 275 degrees. Okay. Just going to get these chicken breasts on here. And by the way, I'm using cherry wood chips. Okay. Then I'm going to take this bigger one here. We're going to put a temp probe in it. I've sterilized the probe. You want to make sure you don't use old dirty probe, before you start a new cook. All right. Let's get the door shut. We'll check on about 45 minutes. Let's get this dipping sauce ready for this chicken. What I've got here, 1 cup Crisco. Okay. You could use lard if you had it. Some recipes call for vegetable oil. Okay. Okay, we've got our oil all melted down. Now we're going to add in 1 stick of butter. Turn this heat down just a little bit. Just about got our butter melted in. 98 degrees here. Feels like it's 109 according to the Weather Channel. Okay. Now what I've got is that same Nashville hot chicken seasoning. We're going to add in 1 tablespoon. And like I mentioned earlier, if you want to make all this from scratch, I'll put my recipe that I use. Okay, I'm going to turn this heat off. It's starting to bubble up a little bit on me. Now, if you don't like things spicy, too spicy, that's all you need to do right there. Okay? What I'm going to do is add in that's 1, maybe 2 tablespoons of Frank's Original. Use your own, the one you like, cayenne-based hot sauce. Okay? Now our dipping sauce is done. So I'm just going to remove this off the heat, and we'll have it as soon as this chicken's ready. It's been an hour. They're 158, 160. What I've got here is just some apple juice and some water. Just going to spray the tops, keep them nice and moist. I'm going to let them go just a few more minutes, bring it up to 165. Okay, I got a taste test helper. Thank you for coming, Tammy.
Yeah, well, it's like over 100 degrees today, so I didn't want to be here during the cooking part.
Yeah, I'm roasting. Okay, so we're going to serve this up. She's never had Nashville hot chicken. So traditionally, Nashville hot chicken is fried.
Okay.
But because you have to eat healthy,
yeah.
I smoke this. And then what folks do is they serve it up with dill pickles. Okay? Now there's what she looks like.
Oh, that's pretty yummy.
Before I cut into it. All right, you ready to give it a try?
Yep.
All right. I can't believe you've never had Nashville hot chicken.
I know, me either.
Look at that.
Looks
Hope
so
you
good.
can see that. The skin staying on it really nice. Skin turned out perfect. People always ask about the skin in the Masterbuilt. Turned out perfect. There's a piece for you. Okay. And I'm going to get you a piece of the bread. Okay.
And a pickle.
You want a whole pickle or half?
A whole pickle.
Okay. So there's yours.
Thank you.
Okay. And I think I'm going to get a whole pickle on top of the chicken, top of the bread.
Yay.
There we go.
It's delicious.
Okay, so you obviously don't get the fried crunch, right, from traditional Nashville hot chicken, but I get a little bit of smoke. Chicken's really tender. The flavor of this Nashville hot chicken seasoning from Tennessee whiskey is spot on.
It's delicious.
And not too spicy.
It's not too spicy. It's really flavorful.
Would you eat it again?
Yes.
There you have it. Thanks so much for watching another one of our videos. If you're not a subscriber, I hope you hit the subscribe button, hit the bell. You'll be notified of all of our new videos.